To add a BMO card to Apple Pay, start by opening the BMO app and clicking on the More option, which can be found at the bottom of the screen. This will open a settings space where you can scroll down and find the Manage Cards option. Click on this, and a list of all the cards linked to your BMO account will appear. Select the card you want to link to Apple Pay, and you will be able to access your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Next, open the Apple Wallet app and click the plus icon at the top of the screen. Select the option to add a credit card, and you may see an NFC warning or instructions. Simply click Continue. You can then either scan your card or click Enter card details manually and fill in the required information, including your name and card number. Click Next and follow the on-screen instructions to verify your account. This process is quick and easy, and once completed, your BMO card will be linked to your Apple Wallet.